Hello everyone and welcome back to Peterson Restoration's YouTube channel. I didn't get to do much on this over the weekend or yesterday. I'm about to start back up on it here this afternoon. I worked on it Friday and got all my welding done along the rockers to the new inner rockers. I just vice gripped the wheelhouses to the trunk floor lip just to kind of hold it in place for now until I patch the inner wheelhouses. You can see I got all the front end welded, the firewall to the cowl side panels and the lower cowls welded in, and I ground down all those welds so it's ready for the upper cowl. And when I have it apart, I like to do two-piece cowls for this reason, so you can really put a couple nice coats of paint on that lower cowl and to seal the top hat. If you don't seal that thing, the water just goes right down to it and it's going to sit in between the metal there. So this is just helping from preventing future rust in that area there. And I just seam sealed over top of the spot welds that I did just in case there's any pinholes in it, that it just doesn't sit in there too. Anything you can do to prevent future rust. And I sprayed, I can't see down in there too much, but I take the spray can and just go in there for a minute and just really coat everything, because you're never going to get to that again once that upper cowl's on. You can see this side too, I seam sealed where I did the spot welds. Upper cowl, that's what I'm going to be putting on today. And what's nice about doing two-piece is I coated the back side of that. I did both upper and lower cowl about 3 full coats of a good primer, so it's just helping. Any little bit helps in the future. So it's more structurally sound now. Again, I have all the spot welds still out for the A-pillars. I got to do them yet. I'm going to try and start on taking those the rest of the way out here today. I'm going to weld in the upper cowl first. There's the new A-pillars sitting there. And I'm not going to weld the floor to the firewall yet, just until I line up the front apron assemblies, floor supports. You don't want to commit yourself to a certain spot because everything needs to work together to get your measurements right when you're doing it this far. But that's just a quick update early in the week, just to bring you up to speed where I'm at with this, and hopefully now the rest of the week I can start cranking on this and get it done here by the end of December, hopefully. I appreciate you guys for checking out the videos, and I'm going to be putting up a couple times a week of this car in particular, just like these quick action takes, and to bring everyone up to speed. If you like the videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you can tap the bell right beside the subscribe to get notifications for whenever I post the next one. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.